On this episode of Dutch Guy's Garage, we're going to check something off my bucket list.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah!
Now, something that I've always wanted to do was drive down Main Street, Broadway in Nashville, Tennessee. As a big country music fan, it's somewhere I've always wanted to go, and it's always been a dream of mine to take one of our old cars there. So, this is exactly what we did. I appreciate you guys hanging along for that, watching us check one of the little things off our bucket list. We had a great time in Nashville. We stopped in to see the Opry and Country Music Hall of Fame, and it was just a great time. This is just another piece of our series where we drove our 1978 Dodge Aspen Super Coupe 2,400 miles across the country on a revive and drive. So, if you'd like to see more on that, stay tuned because it'll be coming up before too long. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We will see you on the next one. And always remember, they don't move until you do.